In this video I'm going to show you how to use this tool that you see here. So if you want a caulking gun and one that is cordless, you don't have to keep pushing, just push once and it will go. This is the video for you. So now I'm going to show you the tool a little bit closely so that way you can see everything. So first of all, as usual, this is the model. As you can see here, let's focus. Alright, so as you can see, this is the model R84044, 18 volts. This is the serial number, just in case. If someone steals your tool, make sure to make an Excel file with all your information. So this is the tool. I'm going to show you the most important things, so that way you can use it. So basically, you have the battery here. So if you push the button here, you're going to see the charge, and if you want to remove it, just push these two buttons and pull, and that's it. As you can see, you remove the battery. This is Bluetooth, so that way you can turn it on and off from your cell phone, and you can see the status of the battery. So basically all you have to do, put it back in here, and that's it. Here you have another number. I don't know if it's the serial number or something like that, but another number. Okay, so here you have the hook. I don't think so you can use it for your belt. It would be nice if you could, but usually it's meant to be used maybe with the ladder or with the stud or something like that. It would be nice if they could put a clip hook, you know, like the one that you have here. I know this is a big tool, but sometimes I would like to have these type of things. I know manufacturers, they don't do that. They don't think about these type of things. They design it, and hopefully it will be okay. All right, so you can remove this. There are other brands that you can remove this, but it will make your life easier. So if you want to take this out, clean it inside, because sometimes people don't know how to use it, and then they're going to mess up your tool. As you can see, this one has glue everywhere. So basically all you have to do is once you clean it, put it back in, and that's it. So here you have the needle. As you can see, many people, they don't know this, but you have the needle here. So when you have the new, this is the condom, just in case, if you want to use this is nice. So the way you don't have to use a screw or anything like that, and it should avoid, you know, drying the silicone, everything. So this is cool. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you worldwide. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. So basically, when you buy this type of silicone, you're going to have two options. One, the one that comes with a pick that is built in, you cannot take it out, and you have the other ones that you can take it out like this. So you have to unscrew it. Basically, you snip it here, cut it then, and you are going to be able to use it right away. In other countries, usually it's like that. Just take this out and put it, cut it and put back this back in, and that's it. But here in US, it's different. So sometimes it's that. Sometimes you have the pick that you cannot remove. So the only thing that you have to do is just cut it here. And then you're going to insert this like that. As you can see here, you can see it inside. So basically do this a few times, make sure, so that way and everything is clean and free. And once you do that, you're going to be able to put it like this. So basically you grab it like that, put it like this, put the nail out, and that's it. So basically if you don't do this, I've seen it many times in people that they don't know how to use the tool, is that they will keep pushing, and then instead of the glue or the silicone going here, will go through this section, you know, it goes towards that direction. So the way all the glue will go here, and everything is going to get nasty like you see it right now. So I give it to one of my helpers. He didn't know how to use it, and this is what happens. And then after that, you have the trigger. So as you can see, I'm going to take this out so the way you can see it, how it works. So basically you have the trigger, push, and as you can see, it's moving. And this is the fastest speed. I mean, this is a lot. It's going to be very fast, you will see. And then if you want less speed, you can change it from here, from this dial, as you can see, and you can push, and it will barely move, as you can see here. That's it. So if you have to put like very tiny, you see it's moving, but very slowly, and that is all you need to know about this tool. And if you want to pull this out, you can do this. Put that. The silicone, you see, is like halfway through. All you have to do is grab it from here, push it, until it stops, and then you can push, and then all the glue will start coming out from here. That's it. So very, very easy, and that is how you can use it. You can use, if you want to, I mean, this is going to cost like 50, 80, sometimes maybe $100. If you're wondering, okay, why you should buy this instead of the manual one, this to me is more convenient, because you can set the speed that you want, and then you can move it like that, and then you are going to have the same speed always. And if you have to you know, work maybe like 1 or 2 feet, okay, maybe you can use anything, it doesn't matter. But if you have to work on 50 rooms, or you're all day long, you know, putting silicone, your arm will fall off. But with this, it will make your life easier, faster, and is more accurate, the amount of glue that glue or silicone or whatever that you want to apply. So that is basically the difference between this and doing manually.